don't forget to subscribe. This is more like a market meant for locals, if that is what you can say. But then again, it's very hard to navigate through these narrow streets. So you can see, ooh, that looks good actually. We have clothing, restaurants, a lot of motorcycles. For such a narrow street, there's a bit too much motorcycles. We have some nice bags. Hello. This is good for shopping, I'm not gonna lie. And I think the prices ain't so bad either. So like if you're looking for some cheap clothing, without having to worry about the so-called foreign prices, this is not a bad place to actually shop. And they have some nice t-shirts as well. Looks quite good. Okay. I think we're just gonna go back in and then take a few turns. I saw some interesting streets along the way, and then we'll see how that goes again. So, welcome to my channel. Please leave comments and subscribe. Here we are at Ho Chi Minh City, District 3, and in the market. And as you can see, you can buy, they are selling various items from shoes to bags to clothing, food, and whatnot. There are a lot of motorcycles around here as well, which is a little bit, which makes it a bit harder to navigate, but I don't mind. It's not like I am allowed to complain, so I'm not complaining. I'm just walking around. Hard not to get stuck in the rain though. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid those bikes as much as I can. I don't want to like this in a different district as well. Yeah. I was going to take a turn into one of these tiny streets and see what they have. But oh yeah, we can go in here. Okay, so here they're selling fabrics and clothing. It looks like mostly female clothing. And it's very narrow, like really, really narrow. So this is, hello. And there's a motorcycle behind me. How is this guy here? Sorry. Jesus. Hello. So much water on the floor. Okay, this is quite it's quite the walk actually. Oh, I hear a chicken. Oh wow. This is one of the hidden gems, literally. It's I'm not sure if you can even find this spot in Google Maps. Cynthia. Oh, this is one of the places you can't even find on Google Maps. Yeah. So, navigating through this salon, it's a challenge. And people are staring at me. Well, I mean, it does make sense, but oh, okay, we out. Oh, nice. It's a nice opening. So I guess we can go this way. Yeah, and just exploring and see what's up. Oh wow, roasted corn. That looks so good. Okay, I was more like, what was that? But it was not for me. Hello, coconut. It looks good. No, no, no. Next time, next time. Thank you very much. Try not to. Oh my days. Okay, we are back in the main streets. That was interesting. But now we are back on the main streets. It's already stopped raining, which is good. But yeah, it's already. Please leave a comment. If you have any questions, please ask. Don't be shy. I will do my best to answer. Wow, those are durians. If you know what's a durian, no, those are jackfruits. Wait, what's the difference? I think the big ones are durian, while the small ones are jackfruits. They're huge. All right, welcome to the typical Vietnamese traffic. Nice flowers. Oh wow. Also nice mangoes. I can buy myself flowers. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.